Officials of NIRSAL, FADAMA 3 and key players in the agribusiness and farm mechanization sector are seated in this hall to find solutions to the perennial challenge of poor mechanization, which has affected the yield of farmers as the FADAMA 3 project comes to a close in December 2019. The managing director of NIRSAL is hopeful that its intervention will provide solutions to the challenge.
This will ensure the availability and use of the fleet of tractors under the FADAMA 3 additional financing program by members of the Federated FADAMA Community Association, as well as other smallholder farmers under a commercially driven and a sustainable model.
Representatives from the Ministry of Agriculture, the FADAMA 3 project, as well as the Machine and Equipment Corporation Africa, are grateful for the timely intervention to provide tractors to farmers.
The expected outcome of this intervention is to produce multiplier effect on food production across the various value chains through facilitated access to farm tractors, implements, and other equipment.
After the speeches, the Memorandum of Understanding is signed to seal the deal. After the event, the Managing Director of NIRSAL bears his mind on the cost implication of fixing an estimated 55,000 tractors and what farmers stand to gain.
Repairing 55,000 broken down tractors, which MECA and its partners have done the survey for, will cost Nigeria only 30 billion naira. And that can come from structured commercial financing, because this is a business model that means that you can invest and earn income and you can exit.
Hopefully, this intervention will provide more income for farmers and food security for the nation.